So moving on from the portfolio page, we're going to go ahead and come down here to the grid. I guess we'll go ahead and save these changes that I did so that you have the page there to do what you want with or delete as you see fit. So we'll go ahead and come down here to the grid now. And you'll see that there's a bunch of these in here. So there's two different types, as I mentioned in the previous one. You can see that they're kind of labeled differently, portfolios or media. So those that are labeled media are just the image ones, and those labeled portfolio are the ones that are those portfolio project feed items with the rollovers in them. So if you just want to make another media library, which we do need to do for the, let's see, what is it called? So I'm saying the right thing here. For the under construction homes, what I would do, just like I did with the portfolio, is we'd come right here. Here's one that's a media, and we would just hit clone. Are you sure you want to clone? Okay. Cloning grid. It puts it in up here. First thing we're going to do is come in and rename it. And we're going to call it, what is it again? Sorry, I'm just under construction. It automatically changes the shortcode so there's no confusion about what this one is. And then all we have to do is come here to source, and I'm assuming we're not going to need any of these same pictures from what this was before, so we can just get rid of all of these pictures that are in here. And then we're just going to add images. And it looks like maybe these are some of your under construction images, so we'll go ahead and we'll add those 4 or 5 maybe. We'll insert into the gallery. There they are. We're going to save that. And now let's go back to our portfolio item, just so we can see this work. Oh, except we're using the one that I made, which is sorry, I was on pages, not portfolio items. So here's our test portfolio item. We're going to go ahead and click right into that one. Come down here. This is where I often like to have the front and the back open at the same time so I can kind of make sure I know what I'm working on. So the pictures come above the portfolio feed, so we want this one. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and then we're going to click on this. Here's our new under construction one. Click on that. We'll hit Save Changes. We can see it's there. We'll hit Save Draft. Come over here to this side. We'll hit Refresh. And ta-da, there are our items. It doesn't start to have that, kind of nice mosaic look until we get a couple in here that are actually vertical orientation, but who cares? It looks just as nice if they're just all horizontal. Yeah, that's that one. That is the media grid. So again, when we are looking at, the grid here, you can tell the difference because it's media masonry versus portfolio. So I am going to leave you now with that one, and the next video will be on how to make one of these portfolio grids.